I want to go over the physical process of how to include your files in Canvas. So remember, you're going to have two parts of this. You're going to have a display of screen capture of your code running, and then you're going to have the code itself, and you're going to attach that to your questions that we have in the lab. So let's worry about the code running first. So anyway, I have my code running, and first of all, in Windows, I'm sure they have something in Mac. It costs you an extra $1,000, but go ahead and take a screen capture. I'm going to go ahead and just capture this little part right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and save it into a directory that I've already called problem1 on my desktop. So there's that. Where is my problem1? There it is. Captured, done, saved. So that's part number one. Very easy. Part number two is getting the code. Now that's a little bit more interesting. I'm going to do Emacs and then the name of the file. Now, what I could actually do is, well, I can highlight the whole thing if I'm doing this from online, hit Control-C, just like I'm doing a copy and paste, and then I'm going to open up Notepad real quick. So this isn't the best way, but it's frankly the cheat way of doing this. So here's my Notepad. I'm going to go ahead and copy the code in there. Got too many screens going on here. And I'm going to, again, File, Save As, and again, hopefully in prop1 here, prob1. I'm going to do prob1.scm because it's a file. And that's about it. So, what I've got in my folder here in prob1, get over here, is my two different files. And they're just showing up just fine here. And again, multiple screens is killing me here. So there's my capture and there's my prob1. That's what I want. Now, here's the deal though. So I've got that all set up. Let's worry about Canvas. So in Canvas, there's a button right here that we need to worry about, and that is, well, the Extends More Tools button. And then we have, I know a lot of people like to use the external link. We don't want to do that. We want to use the Upload Document. Now, by the way, it does say document. That's going to become an issue here in a second. You'll see why here in a second. Drag, drop. So I'm going to try this. I don't think it's going to work. Yep. Can I open up an empty file? Okay, that's not what I was expecting. But I'm going to try it this way. And two files. I got one. So notice when I do that, it only really gives me one problem, and that's one file, and that's a problem. Now, actually, it's really easily solvable by all I'm going to do is zip this real quick, send to zip file, and there's my zip file somewhere. There it is on my other screen, of course. I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop that, and voila, it's going to have both of them in there. Hit submit, and voila, it is all done. So that's how you submit in Canvas for your two files, for your screen capture and your code.